Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to add Instagram leads to LeadSquared CRM automatically. So I am an owner of a digital marketing agency and I promote my agency with the help of Instagram lead ads. Now here what I want is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated by my potential customers and clients with the help of Instagram lead ads, I want to add that lead to my LeadSquared CRM account. Now doing this manually is really time consuming. So what I did was I simply automated this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. In this video, I've created an automation between Instagram lead ads and LeadSquared. So if you want to learn about this amazing automation, then let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to add Instagram leads to LeadSquared CRM automatically. Effectively capturing and managing leads is crucial for businesses looking to optimize their customer strategy. As a digital marketing agency, we run Instagram lead ads for various clients to attract potential customers with targeted campaigns. To manage these leads efficiently, we have set up an automation using Pabbly Connect that sends all the new Instagram leads directly into LeadSquared CRM. Now, whenever someone submits their details through an Instagram lead ad, the lead information is automatically added to my CRM. This allows us to track leads in real time, tailor our follow-up strategies, and ensure our clients never miss out on a valuable opportunity, saving time and boosting conversations. And we are going to be creating this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. Then you can see all Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that is provided to us by Pabbly. From which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow, I'm going to give it as Add Instagram Leads to LeadSquared CRM Automatically. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. After that, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. Further, click on this drop down. So these are the folders from which I'm going to select Instagram automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to our workflow and selecting the folder, let's click on Create. In order to create a workflow is created in the name of Add Instagram Leads to LeadSquared CRM Automatically, and there are two windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the two most important steps for automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means that action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Instagram lead ads. As a business owner of a digital marketing agency, I promote my business with the help of Instagram lead ads. I want that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated by any of my potential clients with the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response of the new lead being generated. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to select a trigger event over here as new lead instant, as whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of that. So now what we are going to do is, after selecting our trigger application and the event, we are going to click on this connect button. A new window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, over here it says connect with Instagram lead ads. Before click on this button right over here, what you have to do is you have to log into your Instagram account on a new tab so that connecting Pabbly Connect and Instagram can be much easier. Okay. After that, I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads button. As you can see that we successfully authorized Instagram lead ads to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for us to select the page and the lead gen form. So I've created a Facebook page over here for my business in the name of Digital Dynamics. You can see right over here. And this page is directly connected to my Instagram profile right over here. If I'm going to open my ads manager, you can see this is the ad that I'm running with the help of Instagram lead ads, with the help of which the leads are going to be generated. Okay, if I'm going to show you, you can see right over here, this is the Instagram account, and this Instagram account is connected to this page right over here that is in the name of Digital Dynamics. Okay, so over here for the page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to select the page over here as Digital Dynamics. And for the lead gen form over here, I'm going to select the lead gen form as lead ads form, as with the help of this form, the leads are going to be generated. After selecting the page and the lead gen form, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. But before that, I'm going to toggle the simple response button right on top of it. Okay. And then I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. As I'm going to do that, you can see over here it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now what we're going to do is we're going to check whether Instagram lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect or not. And how we're going to do that? By generating a test lead with the help of Instagram lead ads. As we're going to generate a test lead, we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the test lead being generated or not. Okay. So in order to generate a test lead, we have to open the lead ads testing tool. This is Meta's lead ads testing tool, and with the help of this tool, we can generate the test lead. Okay. Over here, as I've opened the tool, it is asking for us to select the page. So for the page over here, I'm going to select it as Digital Dynamics. And for the form over here, I'm going to select as the lead ads form. And then over here, it says preview form. I'm going to click on this button. As I've done that, you can see this is the lead gen form that I've created, with the help of which the leads are going to be generated. So now we're going to generate a test lead. Firstly, it is asking for the first name. So for the first name over here, I'm going to write it as test. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as smart45. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as smarttest45@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number over here, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. Okay. After filling all the details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to do the test submission. As I've done that, you can see it says a test lead has been sent. As the test lead has now been generated, I'm going to open my workflow and scroll down. Over here, I'm going to wait for a few seconds. As you can see that after waiting for a few seconds, I have received the response of the test lead being generated. First name comes as test, last name comes as smart45, email comes as testsmart45@pabblytudes.com, for the phone number, dummy mobile number, with all the other details. So this means that Instagram lead ads is now connected to Pabbly Connect and a trigger setup is done. Now whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of that. Now here our objective is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Instagram lead ads, I want to add that lead to my LeadSquared CRM. So now we're going to set up our action step. And for the action application, I'm going to select it as LeadSquared CRM. Okay. So I'm going to select my action application as LeadSquared. And for the action event over here, I'm going to select as create or update lead. And then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is then going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. Okay. After that, over here, it is asking for the access key, secret key, and the API host. With the help of these details, we are going to connect our LeadSquared to Pabbly Connect. Okay. In order to have the details, we have to log into our LeadSquared account. So this is my LeadSquared account dashboard. You can see right over here. And in order to have the details, we are going to go to this profile button and on settings right over here. After coming to the settings page, from the left side of the panel, go to API and webhook page. Over here, you can see the key has been provided to us. So I'm going to copy this key from here. This is the access key. And I'm going to paste the access key right over here. Next, it is asking for the secret key. Over here, we have received the secret key. I'm going to click on this button. So this is the secret key right over here. So I'm going to copy this key from here. And I'm going to paste it right over here. After that, it is asking for the API host. Over here, if I'm going to click on this OK button, this is the API host. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to copy this API host from here and paste it right over here. And then I'm going to click on this save button. As you can see that LeadSquared has now been connected to Pabbly Connect. After connecting, it's asking for the first name, last name, email, and all the details of the lead that we want to add in our LeadSquared CRM. So for the details, the data of these fields, we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how mapping works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field, you can see this was the previous step of this workflow, that is Instagram lead ads new lead instant. And as I'm going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. As in this field, it is asking for the first name. In my previous response, I have received the first name of my lead. So from my previous response, I'm going to select the data of the first name, okay? As I've selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I've mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Similarly, for the last name, I'm going to map the data of the last name of my lead. For the email address, I'm going to map the data of the email address. For the phone number, I'm going to map the data of the phone number. After that, it is asking for all the other details. I do not require them, so I'm going to skip the part and simply I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. As I've done that, the status comes as success and we have received the message ID. This is a positive response. So now I'm going to my LeadSquared account right over here. So this is my LeadSquared account. I'm going to go to the leads page right over here. As I've done that, you can see right over here, the lead in the name of Smart Test 45 has been successfully added to my LeadSquared CRM account. As the lead has now been successfully added to my account, this means that we successfully created an automation between Instagram lead ads and LeadSquared with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a digital marketing agency and I promote my business with the help of Instagram lead ads. My objective is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Instagram lead ads by any of my potential clients, automatically the new lead should be added to my LeadSquared CRM. And for that, we have created this amazing automation between Instagram lead ads and LeadSquared with the help of Pabbly Connect. And this is how you create this automation. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.